Last year, we showed the DIY community a great option to prevent lawn insect damage using Acelepryn G. Now, while the granular version has the advantage of being simple to apply, some of you expressed an interest in learning about the liquid version. So that's gonna be the topic of this video. We're gonna talk about Acelepryn SC benefits, application rates, and share a few tips to help you get the best result. Let's get started. Acelepryn is a selective insecticide that targets common lawn pests like armyworms, grubs, and billbugs. It uses the active ingredient chlorantraniliprole to eliminate these lawn pests while being safe for earthworms and pollinators like bees. Now, if you seriously want to geek out on chlorantraniliprole, which is the active ingredient, the engine of Acelepryn, I'll have links in the description to the previous video, as well as a research paper by the International Society of Arboriculture that goes into excruciating detail about why chlorantraniliprole is awesome. Now, traditionally, Acelepryn SC has only been available in half-gallon quantities that in most cases retail for over $1,000. Not anymore. I reached out to the nice folks at Syngenta and they told me about a new 4-ounce version of Acelepryn SC that's perfect for homeowners or anyone treating smaller lawns. Now, a 4-ounce container may not sound like much, but I can assure you it's plenty. Now, one thing you may have noticed in this video so far is that I've been referring to the liquid version of Acelepryn as Acelepryn SC. Yeah, I noticed, and it'd be really nice if you explain what it means. First, rude, and second, we're gonna cover that right now. Sorry. The SC in Acelepryn SC stands for suspension concentrate. This product is very concentrated, meaning a small amount goes a long way. Now, depending on application rate, a single 4-ounce bottle of Acelepryn SC covers anywhere between 8,700 square feet all the way up to 1 acre or 43,560 square feet. The product label provides application rates ranging from 0.05 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet for armyworms up to 0.26 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet for more difficult to kill insects like billbugs and annual bluegrass weevils. Well, that's a fairly broad range. What's a good choice to make sure I'm covering everything? Great question. The sweet spot for applying Acelepryn is to use a rate of 0.2 ounces per 1,000 square feet. That rate targets the broadest range of insects while also being easy to measure given the markings that are on the product container. Now, to apply Acelepryn, you're gonna need a couple of things. Your calibrated backpack sprayer of choice with a larger droplet spray nozzle. You're also gonna need the proper safety gear. The label calls for shoes with socks, long pants, a long sleeve shirt, and gloves. Out of an abundance of caution, I also like to wear eye protection whenever I'm applying liquids to my lawn. I'll have links to all these items in the video description. Now today, I'm using a 4-gallon backpack sprayer, which covers up to 4,000 square feet. Remember, our desired application rate for Acelepryn is 0.2 ounces mixed with 1 gallon of water, which covers 1,000 square feet. So because we're using 4 gallons, we're gonna take that rate and multiply it by 4, bringing us to 0.8 ounces of Acelepryn SC mixed with 4 gallons of water, which covers 4,000 square feet. Pretty simple math. Let's start by filling the backpack sprayer halfway full with water. Next, we need to add the Acelepryn. Now you'll notice the markings on the measuring container only go up to 0.5. So to get to the 0.8 total that we're after, we're gonna measure out 0.4 and add that to the tank, and then repeat the process, measure out 0.4 again, and add that to the tank. That's gonna bring us to our total of 0.8 fluid ounces to cover 4,000 square feet. With the Acelepryn in the tank, let's close it up and give it a good shake. This step's really important since it really helps to integrate the water and Acelepryn and is gonna ensure that we get proper coverage. Now, we'll finish adding the remaining water to the tank to bring it to 4 gallons and agitate one more time. When you're doing your application, you'll wanna walk at a pace that applies 1 gallon of the water and Acelepryn mixture over 1,000 square feet. Do your best to minimize heavy overlaps. You're gonna simply rinse and repeat this process over and over until the entire lawn is covered. Once done, you're gonna wanna water the Acelepryn in or simply wait for rainfall. Either way works. Now that you're done, be sure to thoroughly rinse out your spray equipment so that you're ready to go for next time. And there you have it. How to apply Acelepryn SC to keep lawn damaging insects away. As you saw, choosing the liquid route is actually a pretty good idea since it gives you more flexibility around application rate and really isn't that difficult. If you're interested in adding Acelepryn to your lawn care program this year, I have links in the description to where you can pick it up. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.